recording.
You're doing the recording. Okay. Hi guys, and welcome to
It's smoothie time.
Smoothie and juicing time.
Oh, yeah, juicing.
Okay, cool. Today we've got a simple juicing. No, it's not juicing. Oh my gosh, it is a smoothie that we're going to be doing, and it's very simple. All we need is a handful of strawberries. Do you want to put them in?
Oh god, they're really cold.
I know, they're frozen. And then I would say about half a small banana. And then...
Hopefully it doesn't turn thick like last time.
Well, what we're going to do if it turns thick?
If your smoothie or juice turns thick, make sure to put more of your... wait. Make sure you put more of your liquid that you're using in.
Cool. Okay.
And if you're making ours, make sure to put more oat milk.
Oh yes, we're using oat milk, and we're using it to the max level, and then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of yogurt.
This?
Do you want to do it? You do it. Go on.
1.
1. 2. Okay, just put another tiny bit because it didn't seem that there was big enough.
Like this much?
Yeah, go on, put that one in. And then I am going to put something else in the smoothie, something that I really love, and that is cashew nut. It's cashew nut. You know, like you got peanut butter? It's the same sort of thing, but it's cashews. Do you like cashews?
I've never tried it.
You've never tried it? You think? Maybe we'll get you to try it one day. So we'll put it in there. Now, what should we call this?
Okay,
What are you going to call it? What should we give it a name? What name should we give this?
It's a smoothie shake, and it's dedicated...
Before I do that, okay, the name. I'm thinking Strawberry Delight.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Okay. Do you have any other ideas?
Sweet Strawberry Delight?
Sweet Strawberry Delight, okay. Decide, Strawberry Delight or Sweet Strawberry Delight? Actually, let's check at the end. You know, you can decide which one. Okay.
Oh yeah, because of the colour.
Yeah. Okay, who are we going to be dedicating this to?
We're going to be dedicating this to Rainbow from It's Funneh's crew. They always make me laugh, and they mainly play Minecraft and Roblox.
And what's the crew's name?
It's just crew.
The crew. Okay. Rainbow is... How many other people are in the crew?
So there is It's Funneh.
Yeah.
Draco. Rainbow, which is the one that we're dedicating it to.
Yeah.
Luna and Draco.
And Draco. Okay. Should we do the countdown?
Okay. From 5.
Okay. Let's do it from 5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And then do the countdown for this 15 seconds.
1, 2,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my gosh, look how...
Oh, that looks so pretty.
Do you want to taste it?
I don't know.
Go on.
To be honest, I really...
You could see... Okay, you could decide on what we're going to call this, right?
I'll try. I think we'll call it Sweet Strawberry Delight because I was thinking if it was very pale like this, it will be... I'll call it sweet, but if it was a little dark, I wouldn't. I'll call it the other one.
Okay,
Strawberry Delight. It's okay.
It's okay? You're going to give it a thumbs up?
Yeah, I'll give it a thumbs up.
And if you like it, what do they need to do?
If you like our videos, make sure to subscribe, like, make sure to hit the notifications and try one of our smoothies yourself.
And if they really like it, what should they do?
Share it with others.
Share it with others. See you later, guys. Bye.